So let's say you want to edit a product for whatever reason. Maybe you want to edit the shipping, the price, whatever. So you go to my eBay and then you go to selling. It's going to bring you here. You can go to all selling and it's going to list everything that you have in your store. So I want to see my active items, and you can scroll down here and you can see what's active. But let's just take this this one here for instance. I want to revise it. You can share it or you can end it, but I want to revise it. I haven't been selling much, but it was sort of a test product. I upped the product price and I'd put a different picture, but pretty much it's the same as what I have. You can experiment with stuff like that. Like I'm gonna switch the order around. Let's go down here and I'm going to edit the price. So the other thing I wanted to do is edit the shipping. So you can come in here and you can edit everything here. So what I want to do is I want to change that it's free shipping and fast, because I know my supplier is backed up. So I'm going to change that, which I copied and pasted, and I just changed it from 5 to 10 business days, and then the fixed price. And then you can see that there's a price here for all of them. So if you go in here and click edit price, let me go back and show that to you again. So you're going to go into your product, revise. It's going to take you to your product description and everything. You scroll down and you edit what you want to edit. And if you want to do the price, it's right here under price and quantity, edit price. So I'm going to edit the price. It's going to give you a list. So I want to edit all of them. Oh, I went to the wrong one. But if you want to edit, you want to change it, which I want to change these anyway. Click here, because I've been selling so many of them. I want to increase the price because you can see I'm running out of the amount I have. Okay, so I want to change the quantity as well. So I'm going to enter the price and I'm going to put $9.97, and you're going to see that price change. And then I'm going to enter the quantity and I'm going to put 5 for each. All right, so now you can see that the quantity and price has changed. And then just make sure when you're done that you save your and you can't see it on my screen, but you save what you've done for changes. So there it goes, it popped up. But you can either save and preview or save and close. I'm going to save and close, and that should update my products, and I should be getting some more sales in today with those products at a higher price and a higher profit. So you can set up in DSMTOOL a variation where as you sell maybe 3 items, it'll increase your price by 20 cents or a percentage, but you can also set that up. So if you want DSMTOOL to automatically update that, just go to DSMTOOL. If you click over here by your name, click on settings, it's going to bring you to the I call it a dashboard. You want to go over here to sales and orders. And here's where it says increase your profit for every 3 sales I have by 20 cents, or you can do a percentage and stop after a certain number of sales. I don't have decreased profits because basically I could do that if I have an item that's like really high and then it stops selling, then you want to decrease it, you want to pull it back a little bit. But you can see that some of the other option here, automatic resale, preserving. If you list an item with a quantity of 3, for instance, set it back to 3 automatically once it's sold out on eBay. I have that as well. But then you see you have your messages down here as well that you can alter and make it more personal. And I'm going to go do that and plug in my business name and that sort of thing. But you can do that as well. But hopefully that helps you learn how to alter the price, change the quantity, and do those types of things that you need within your product page.